Howdy, art fam! And I'm dressed like a cowboy because I think deep inside I am a cowboy. Maybe I'm just waiting for my stallion, my horse, to show up so I can ride away. What I do have today, though, is March 2025 kit. And it is chock full of craziness, nonsense. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm gonna take this off because, okay, that was my pajama. Those are my pajamas. Now it's getting hot in here, and I want to leave the hat on. Let's see what happens. I hear that in the United States, the mail system might go to the government, meaning like Trump. So if that happens, I don't know what that's gonna mean for my mail order business. So remember, we do have the diaries, and the diaries are so exciting. It's turning into a magazine, you guys. A copyright free magazine that you can use to make collages, spells, poetry. I mean, it's just wonderful. I'm really happy about it. Let me know what you think. So let's unbox this. You ready? As always, it's a treasure trove of just wildness. I should have been a singer. Actually, when I was a kid, before my voice changed, I was in a creative arts troupe in LA. It was so stupid. Oh my god, but no, it wasn't. This woman, her name was Rosemary Wattson. She had this creative arts camp, I guess. I don't know. It was in my neighborhood across the street from my house, and she had dance, theater, voice, and I got to go to that. And she did this amazing thing that thinking about it now, wow, like what a treat. I was 12. I was just, it was not a good time for me. But she would do this exercise in our dance class called liquid movement. And she would play music, and she would make you close your eyes and just move to the music. And she played Enigma. Actually, I was 10. And she played Enigma. And it was the most liberating thing, because when I was there, I felt beautiful. That's a weird word, right, for a 10-year-old to think about, but I felt beautiful. And it opened the door to so much magic. Do you know Enigma? I think you must know Enigma. I have the record if you want me to play it. So that was it. So, I mean, that album literally changed my life forever, because I'd never heard the sound that I imagined magic to sound like. Like I grew up with magic, but I'd never heard it in music, right? I recognize, obviously, the church stuff, but like, wow. So like I said, I've listened to this album every day of my life, practically. The whole album is amazing. Just that one. The other ones are really bad. But the first Enigma album. But yeah, so, and thinking about it, like, yeah, giving a child a safe space, giving anybody a safe space, but a child that's taking root and they can really hold on to that, I tell you, wow. Like, I'm so grateful for that. So grateful for that. But now I'm a little brown swan. Defining gravity. So this is my homage, I guess, to this, and then I put the library thing, right? Now she's gonna tell me the things that I need to know. And look, she's already started telling me. And I'm gonna know. You guys, it's Luis Martin, the art engineer. Thank you for bearing with me. I'm gonna go take a nap now and zen out. So if you want to join me, do the same. Let's go. I won't tell anybody that you're taking a nap. All right, my dears, my loves, my friends, my family, my tribe, my art fam. Have a wonderful week. Cheers.